Alright, I am back. I'm checking on the stove here. Look at how good this stove burns. Absolutely clean glass there. Hot fire. We've had the stove going for about an hour. It was cold though. We haven't ran it in a while because it's almost summertime here. And after an hour, this oven thermometer was reading 300 degrees, which was not quite accurate. We have an internal thermometer that you can see here as well. That one is reading 425. So that's why we recommend having two thermometers, just because the one on the front glass, it's external, right? So obviously it's not going to be reading as accurate of a temperature of what's going to be inside the oven. So with that in mind, we are at 425. That's an hour from a cold stove. You know, if you were running this in the winter and you had your stove going and then you were just going to activate your oven, it's really only about 20 to 30 minutes to get it up to temperature to bake at that time. So we are ready to put our piazza in the oven, and I'm really excited because it looks awesome. So, here we go.